Techno Industrial Products PFF ERS KHB Series 2-way and 3-way L-port ball valves that are designed to take pressure up to 500 bar from 1/4 inch to 2-inch BSP. These ball valves are used widely in hydraulic systems of EH system that is a part of electric power department, testing purpose, pipe connection of hydraulic machines and lifters, accumulator safety stop valve, environment and energy, and much more that you can think. These valves have a ball inside to open and close them as desired. Videos show assembly of hydraulic hose to the valve. All the ball valves are randomly tested to the pressure they can take, which is also shown in the chart for your convenience. Working without connection is also shown in this picture. Thanks for watching.